We are going to start our chapter reflection of light, and we are going to go from basic to advanced level. Okay, so let's start. Now, light is a form of energy which helps us to see. So we are studying reflection of light. So what is light? Light is a form of energy, and it helps us to see. Without light we cannot see objects. Now let us discuss a little bit about the process, that how do we actually see. Okay, so suppose this is a lamp. Okay, so this is a lamp, and the lamp emits some rays, and these are the light rays that when they enter the eyes, we are able to see the lamp. Okay, so this lamp is a luminous object. What type of object is this? Luminous, because it has its own light. Okay, now there are also objects which do not have their own light. Like suppose this object is non-luminous. It does not have its own light. So then how are we going to see this? This object emits light rays, so we can see it. But what about this? So in this case, for non-luminous objects, what we do is we get help from some luminous object like sun. So the sun emits its rays, and they hit these objects, strike these objects, and then bounce back and then reach our eyes, and in that way we are able to see this object. Okay, so there are two methods by which we are able to see. First one is that the object itself emits some rays, because of which we are able to see the object. Secondly, we have a luminous source like the sun, which throws its light on the objects, and then they reflect the light here, and that light reaches the eyes. Okay, now let's consider a third situation. Suppose this box is here, and suppose this is a luminous object. Okay, so it has its own light rays, but still we are not able to see because there is a wall between the person and this object. So the reason we were able to see this object is not just because the object is present, it's because the light rays from this object were able to reach the eyes, like here also in both the cases. So if we put a wall in between, now these rays cannot reach this person. Okay, so that is why he is not able to see the object. So it is necessary that the rays from the object must reach the person. So is there a way that person still can see this object? Can you suggest a method? If you can think, you can stop the video and think about the method. Okay, I am going to provide you a basic solution. So what you can do is, let me show you that if there is a wall, suppose this is a wall. Okay, and I am here. This is the object. So the rays from the object, like all the rays will be stopped. No ray is able to reach the person. Okay, what I am going to do is I am going to put a mirror here. Now what will happen? The rays from this object will come here, and after striking they will reach here. So in this way, this person can see the object even though there is a wall between them. Okay, I can put a mirror, and from that mirror light rays can come here and reach the eye of the person, and he can see the object.